Have you ever whistled at night? Yeah, sounds harmless, right? But there's a tale that says beware, for the whistler's lurking out there. It said he comes when the sun has set, a shadowy figure you won't forget. His tune is eerie, soft and slow, a haunting sound you shouldn't follow. One night I walked beneath the moon and whistled a casual, careless tune. The street was empty, the air was still, until I heard it faint and shrill. A whistle echoed back to me from somewhere close I couldn't see. My heart grew cold, my pace turned fast, but the whistler's tune was built to last.